So MFoCS is the mounted family of computer systems. It's part of the hardware solution for the US Army's program called Joint Battle Command Platform, or JBC-P. Currently mounted in all US Army, Marine Corps, and really joint ground platforms for the United States. So it's extremely important for a number of things, and it may depend on what warfighter you're talking to. But if you start at the lowest level, most soldiers will tell you, this either saved my life or my buddy's life on the battlefield. Why? Because I can find that blue dot of somebody who may have been injured in any type of weather, in any type of conditions, get to him rapidly and save his life. Since we've been doing this from the beginning, before anybody else, particularly on the hardware side and on the integration side for things like cyber protection and that sort of thing, we've got over 20 years of combat experience that we've learned with the US Army and developing this hardware and doing things like how to manage heat in a closed box, how to reduce the size, weight, and power and cost of this over time, and bring soldiers through lessons learned what they really need on today's battlefield and for the future, and be agile enough to allow changes to be made on the same equipment that I field today without having to buy a whole new piece of equipment tomorrow. One of the things this allows us to do from a joint coalition interoperability capability is take this same thing that the US Army has and share it with the US's coalition partners and allow those nations to tailor things to the way they fight, to the way they operate, and in some cases, maybe not using it exactly the way the US uses it, but uses it the way they used to fight, and allows them to be agile in doing that.